Hello everyone, we are going to see how to access the OpenGL tutorials for the graphics course. So this is the course web page. I hope all of you have visited this page. This contains links to the various resources for the course. So we will list it all here in addition to Moodle. So you can find the link to the tutorials on this right hand side list of links. So if you go and click on tutorials here, you will find that the GitHub page will open, and here you can actually go to tutorial 0, and this tells you how to get started with OpenGL. So what I will do is that I will just clone the Git repository. So you should all get your GitHub IDs by now if you haven't made them already, and you should learn how to use Git if you haven't used Git before. So you can just fire off a git clone command and it will get you the entire repository for the tutorials. I'll just go here and you can do an ls, and if you go to tutorial 0, you'll see that it has the following files. Just run make and it should compile it, and you will find that there is an executable. Run that executable. It will report for you what graphics card you have and whether the OpenGL version that has been asked by the program is supported by your graphics card or not. Coming back to the GitHub page for the tutorial, if you scroll down, it explains to you how to compile the code. It explains to you every single line of the code pretty much, and I strongly encourage you to go through this and figure out what is the highest version of OpenGL that is supported by your system. As long as it is a version above OpenGL 3.2, I believe, you would be able to run pretty much any modern OpenGL API calls that we will use in this course. However, if you have OpenGL version that is lower than that, then that means your hardware only supports a deprecated version of OpenGL. You will still be able to do all the assignments. It's just that the version of OpenGL that you will end up using will not be the new one.